In this video, I'm breaking down a EURUSD trade I took step by step. I'll cover the high time frame context, how the daily narrative was framed, and how the multiple time frames align for the execution. I'll also show how the weekly profiles, session profiles, and quarterly theory came together to form this trade. I'll go with the execution first. This is the actual execution of the trade. The QR here links directdirectly to the verified trade, so the execution can be independently checked. Now, starting from the daily time frame, on daily what we see DXY opened Monday, formed a range, closed inside this Thursday candle, forming equal lows in close proximity to the previous week low. On Tuesday, we ran, expanded into these equal lows without taking out the buy side liquidity we had, which means that after manipulating the equal lows and tagging inside the key level, which here is a new week opening gap, price will reverse and will take out the buy side liquidity it engineered before manipulating the equal lows. And the same idea upside down in Euro USD. Tuesday taking out Monday's high and expanding downwards into the daily internal range liquidity. I shared this idea on Orbit Trading, which is a free Discord community beforehand. Now zooming inside on H4, we see that EURUSD was creating sell side liquidity below and was not clearing it before taking out the buy side liquidity. Price manipulated higher into the equal highs, formed a reversal signature, which is a sequential SMT right here, and creating a high to take out all the sell side liquidity below. Now, digging deeper into this, what do we see on the zoomed out picture? That we were trading inside premium. We formed a dealing range low, and after that, we were forming a dealing range high. After forming a high, we are going to retrace into the discount. And what we have in discount, an order block. That was my target. This is clearly ERL to IRL, along with the session profiles and the weekly profiles. Monday forming a range, Tuesday manipulating the Monday high, reversing in the London close time. Why London close? Because we had 8:30 news driver, which manipulated the high, still not confirmed the reversal, and 9 am open took the high of previous H4 candle, formed a reversal signature, which is a sequential SMT right here, and started reversing after that, expanding overnight towards our target. Zooming in again on 1 hour, we clearly see that we formed SMT, we closed below this H1 candle that manipulated the highs, and then we went lower. I executed on 15-minute time frame right after price started showing the signature of reversal. Just look at it deeply. On this is the Monday high. On Tuesday, we consolidated, expanded higher, leaving all the equilos down here. Till now, we formed no signature of reversal, no bulky candle that is forming CAST. 9 am opened, expanded higher, took higher 5 am candle, and after it closed with a huge bullish candle, 10 am opened, took high of 9 am candle, and started reversing in the first 10 minutes. Whenever an hourly candle is going to expand or reverse, it will form high or low of that candle in first 5 to 10 minutes, which will give clear signature of reversal. That is what I saw, and I executed as soon as M15 confirmed it and held it all the way through here till the equilibrium of the daily range and the discount order block. Looking at it on DXY, we formed a range, Monday range, and previous week low manipulated to the new week opening gap, formed sequential SMT, closed above, traded higher towards the buy side liquidity, taking all the LRLR we have. And what key level do we have above Friday's high? Here we have this new day opening gap, which was a clear draw because this is a low hanging fruit, and just above it we have a key level which is new day opening gap, which was a clean draw. I shared this after we confirmed the reversal on DXY on 15-minute where I executed right here. After 9 a.m. candle took the high of the news candle, which is 8:30 news driver release, which is 9 NFP release. This is EU and this is GU. GU failed to take out the news data high and second quarter high of New York session, and EU took it and started reversing, closed below this M15 candle high, and the third candle started expanding as soon as price closed up below this first candle. I executed inside this candle and held all the way overnight. Why? Because the reversal we formed here was London close reversal, and whenever we form a London close reversal and we have all the liquidity below, price expands overnight to the draw. That's the full breakdown of this Euro USD trade from the execution back to context and the execution logic. The focus here is always process and alignment, not outcomes. I'll be sharing more breakdowns like this going forward. You can subscribe if you want to follow along.